Hey friends, so what did you have? What did you have for breakfast this morning? I'm curious, put in the comments below. Like, did you have nothing? Did you have cereal? You grabbed a protein bar, granola bar, eggs? What did you have? Let me know. I am Amy Miller. I'm a Crunchy Mom researcher of all things natural for a little over a decade. And together with my husband, we're the founders of 3 Life Essentials, advocating for wellness in all areas of our lives, in our spiritual health, in our healthcare choices, and in our lifestyle. And our team is on a mission to help others feel better and heal. And this is Free Friday. This is our weekly series on Fridays to experience life more fully, more abundantly, and bonus if we can do this in natural ways. So today we're shifting gears up a little bit from what we've been talking about over the last month and a half. Today we're going to be junk food free, gluten free, toxic chemical free, grain free, free from ingredients I can't pronounce, right? Genetically modified free, and sad free, right? So I'm going to share with you, our family is doing Whole30 this month. And so we're going to talk about why Whole30. What are the ingredients in our favorite breakfast that we're having? We're not having it this morning, we're having it tomorrow, but I'm going to share it with you. And then let's make it, okay? And enjoy it. So I'm curious, comment below with one hard thing that you've done in your life that was so worth it in the end. Our family, why Whole30? Our family has decided it just makes sense to us to take more time with our daily health habits now, so that we can increase the likelihood of a longer, more vibrant life. And one of the ways that we do that is by resetting our habits a few times every year. And we do this by using doTERRA's Cleanse and Restore essential oils and oil supplements, and by doing Whole30. And all that is just 30 days of saying yes to some foods, whole unprocessed foods, and no to inflammatory foods like grains, dairy, legumes, and sugar. And it's something we do as a family. Is it hard? Some would say yes. We would say there are so many harder things, like losing a loved one, losing your home. And the Millers, we do hard things, and those hard things are worth it. Pay no attention to the pencil sharpener in the background. Hey, so I want to know from you, what is something that you've done that's hard in your life, but it was so worth it in the end? And now I can't see your comments today. So if you have a question or comment as we go through today, just put them in there and I'll try to go back and answer them. If you're watching on the recording or the replay, welcome. Stick around so we can join this and do this together. And then next week we'll have this this recipe up on our blog, and so you'll be able to access that. In fact, that is my gift to you today, is that we have a gift that you can go to 3lifeessentials.com/resources, and we have a new little place there where you can actually sign up to get our blog straight to your inbox. That way you have those resources at all time. So that's our gift to you today. Okay, so what ingredients are in this breakfast? So super simple. We're gonna put in bananas, unsweetened, either you can use unsweetened coconut, unsweetened almond, unsweetened cashew milk, this is pea protein milk. You can do some kind of unsweetened dairy alternative. Chia seeds, which is a superfood, really great for getting a lot of essential fatty acids in your diet. And when we're not doing Whole30, we add a splash of homemade vanilla as well. But we're also not consuming any kinds of alcohol on Whole30. So we're leaving that out this round, okay? So you may see, when you see on our website, you'll see that recipe with the vanilla included. If you're doing Whole30, you leave that part out, okay? But other than that, it's gonna be good. So you're gonna use 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and about a ½ cup of milk. That makes 1 bowl. In our family, we do it up big, okay? So we're gonna actually multiply this recipe many times. So all we're gonna do is, and I need a helper to help peel these recipes. Who could I have to be a helper? I wonder if anybody will come to my rescue and will help peel these bananas. Now, the riper the bananas, the better. I had someone come to my rescue. So thankful. Are you peeling the bananas?
Can I eat your banana?
So if you have a bigger family, or you want more than 1 bowl as well to have for multiple breakfasts, you can also, I need more helpers to help peel these bananas so that we can get them done quickly. So the riper the bananas, the better. These bananas actually aren't as ripe as I would like for them to be. We want them to be almost starting to be on the brown side, because that's going to make it sweeter for you. And so put them in there. Awesome. Thank you. Let's not bump the milk over. Okay, so all you're going to do is combine these ingredients into a blender, like my blend tech here, that I love. It makes everything really, really smooth.
It'll blend up my phone.
And then we're going to add in about 2½ to 3 cups of milk. And you're going to do these, if you're like me, you do this at night after the kids have gone to bed. Because you're going to put all of these ingredients in the blender. I'm going to add about 10 to 12 tablespoons of chia seeds.
I got really messy.
You got messy?
Yeah. Instead of getting them out, I accidentally smushed them.
Awesome.
Sorry.
Also, when we're not on a Whole30, sometimes we'll add in a little chocolate protein, chocolate paleo protein that's just sweetened with stevia to make it a little bit chocolatey and just kind of give some variety. But this is a really fun breakfast, super simple, super easy to do. So you're just gonna pop it on the blender, run it through, and then you're gonna be able to pour this into a big glass dish. And what it's going to do is that chia seed is going to allow overnight. You're going to put this in a big glass baking dish. You can stick it in your fridge overnight, and then the fun part happens the next morning. All you're going to do is pull it out and add your favorite toppings. Like we love to do, like sprouted almonds, sprouted walnuts, pecans. You can top with fresh unsweetened coconut, raisins. When you're not on Whole30, if you want to add like some chocolate chips sweetened with stevia, those kinds of things. This, our kids love this as a great quick on the go breakfast. And I'll share with you guys my Azure Standard link so that you can get all of these goodies in bulk or at a discount, or you can also get them through Thrive, our Thrive affiliate link as well. Now I'm about to sign off, But don't forget to go back to the beginning to catch all of our recipes for free. And I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm curious, are you going to try this today? Now, if you're watching on our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Next week, we're going to be shifting gears again. I'm going to be talking about brain health and early intervention and some of my thoughts on preventing autism. So join me next week. So good to see you guys this morning. Bye, everybody.